My friend who drive diesel engine called me that is diesel is coming out of the exhaust, and I told him, don't worry, this is what you should check. I told him 4 things that you should check, and he checked those 4 things and the problem was solved. If you have similar problem, then this video is for you. Don't worry, check these 4 things and I can bet you're going to solve that problem. The first one is injector stop open. If your injector is stop open, I mean the injector needle is if you stop open, then the injector is going to overfuel, and when it's overfueling, it's going to deliver too much diesel in your combustion chamber, and when that happens, the engine cannot burn, or as a result of that, some will go to your exhaust manifold. That is why you are seeing that in your engine. And number 2 is that injection timing issue. If your injection timing is too late, which is simply called retarded timing, is going to allow cylinder fuel enter the cylinder after combustion should have already taken place, which resulted into incomplete combustion. So you may see raw fuel coming out of your exhaust. Why? Because of your camshaft or crankshaft timing misalignment. It could be one timing gear, or sometimes incorrect injection pump timing pump. These are the reason why. This is the second reason why you are having diesel coming out of your exhaust pipe. And don't forget, when you are having retarded timing, it means that your injector deliver fuel too late after the combustion has already taken place, so that will not be fine. And what is number 3 is when you're having low compression. Remember, this is a diesel engine, and diesel engine rely on high compression to ignite fuel through it. So when the compression is low, that could be as a result of one piston rings, blow air gasket, cylinder wear, or leak valve. When you have any of this problem, then you will notice that the engine will not be able to burn the fuel any longer, and that is going to result into you having fuel, diesel coming out of your exhaust pipe. And what is number 4? When you have loose injector washer or seal. Go and check your injector. Is it washer you are using? Is it seal? If you are using any of those and they fail, it will allow diesel to find its way around the exhaust line, and when you are having that, it's going to give you problem because it allows raw diesel to be coming out of your exhaust pipe. So these are the major 4 reasons why you are having exhaust diesel coming out of your exhaust pipe. 1, injector stop open, poor injector timing, low compression, and loose injector washer or seal. With it, if you can check these 4 things, I can bet you are going to solve this problem. This is exactly what I told my friend, and he later solved his problem. Do you know what happened to my friend? His problem was poor injection pump timing. So you have a poor injection pump timing too, is going to cause this problem. Hope you learned something from this video. If you do, kindly follow me for more engine tips like this, especially